So hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning into the live stream. So again, what I'm doing is I'm removing my temporary wiring from here as I'm finished with the temporary wiring. So again, this panel is not it's not live. Okay, this panel is dead. So this wire we're removing was for the temporary heaters, and we currently don't need it anymore. The cold weather is gone, so. Blessings, Azariah Scott. Again, thank you for checking into the live stream. So again, this is the removal of the temporary wires for the temporary heaters. So as I'm now moving into the stage of connecting all the power. So even though the power is off, I'm still going to work as if there's power here. It's basically a procedure I always take just to make sure that the power is off. But our procedures is to make sure that we work live. We practice we practice working live. Um, it's a practice that allow us to not be afraid of the power, you say. So practicing live work is always the key to success. So even though this panel is off, I'm still going to treat it as though the panel is live right now. Uh, it's what I'm most comfortable with. Um, Bless up yourself, Mr. Geyser. Again, thank you for checking in to the live stream. Also, bless up yourself, the real Geyser uncle. And also, again, thank you for the donation towards the channel. Yes, it's all right, Scott. Great to see you also. Again, thank you again for the continuing support. So like I say, this is just temporary power that I'm removing as they have to begin to fill the holes of the cables that's that was run for temporary cable. So this is one temporary the temporary heating. So this is one cable that is done with. So mhm. So again, like I said, this panel is the 100 amp panel, and you can see that this cable here that I had before that was all mangled is somehow strapped down. So like I said, this is the final process for the panel. I still have to connect all my breakers inside here, which will be the final step before I turn all the power on in the home. Bless up yourself, Classic. Again, thank you for checking into the live stream and supporting the channel. Sorry, I had a phone call. So again, thank you guys all for checking into the live stream and the continuing support of the channel. So like I said, this is a 100 amp panel, and it's located on the second floor of the home, where it's going to be picking up everything that's on the second floor. which includes the lighting circuit, also includes the washroom receptacles, also includes the toilet receptacle, hand towels. It's got washer and dryer on the second floor. So it's going to be picking up quite a bit of circuits on the second floor. So all these wires that you see here are not tied in yet. I still have to tie these wires in, but I have to use the proper breaker, which is the arc fault breakers. And for that reason, I haven't tied in the breakers yet. Reason being is normally you leave the arc faults for the last because the arc faults can get burned out pretty quick, and they're pretty expensive. They're around $80 for one, and once you install them, the guys are going to use their saws. They're going to use all types of stuff. But however, if I do install these breakers, I can actually lock these breakers off, which I probably might end up doing. You can actually lock off this whole side. You can lock off some stuff if you don't want the actual breakers to be used. So for that reason, I haven't installed them, but I think sometime next week maybe I'll be installing them. So again, this is the last cable here. Let's see if I turn this here. If you can, might be a delay. Might be a delay. So this is the cable, the last cable I'm going to remove. Okay. So that's the okay. So again, so I'm going to run a quick video. I don't want these guys the noise inside of my video, so I'm going to play a quick video here while I remove that cable, come back and go around the other side of the room, prep the cable to move it downstairs. Yourself, Up Movement TV. Again, thank you for checking in to the live stream. So like I said, this power is off, and I'm going to just put the cover back on and turn back on the power. So normally that's how I remove my my panel cover, and then I reinstall the cover. Once I've done that, I will now turn my breaker on just to make sure that everything's fine. So like I said, I'm going to run a video, and I'm going to remove my cable, and then I'm going to go into the other rooms, give a tour of the upstairs, of the finishing stuff. So just bear with me, give me a couple minutes here. So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to today's lesson. I'm simply going to be installing my receptacles. So again, welcome back to the channel. We're going to simply doing this with receptacles right now. So basically what I'm doing is I have a nick wire, so I'm going to be repairing this nick wire with the extension to protect the wires from hitting the box. So again, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream today and the continuing support of the channel. Okay, so like I said, what I'm doing right now is I'm removing my temporary cable, and as I don't need it anymore. It's no longer required on the job right now, as I'm moving into the stage of connecting the power throughout the home. So again, that's what I'm doing right now. Using it in the home, as there's nothing wrong with it. It's copper wire, even if it's aluminum wire. It's not wasted as long as there's no cuts and damages inside on the cable itself. Then I'm good to reuse it. Right? Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out. 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be an Eaton panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because it's defective in the area where I am, the country where I am. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that was brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off from the hydro unit. So just stay tuned for the entire video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. So normally what I do when I'm doing a job like this is I normally get to the job site a little bit earlier so I can remove all of my wires, label them accordingly. That way when it comes to reinstalling my wires into the panel, I don't have to go troubleshooting throughout the house for the circuits to be labeled. And yes, of course, your cables and your circuits have to be labeled at the end of the job in order to have your inspection pass. That is the code rule, and there's no going around it. So again, just stay tuned for the entire video as I attempt to change out this panel without any issues occurring, any delays, also so that the hydro can come back and turn the power on within the limited time that I have during the day. If I don't have this panel removed and reinstalled by the time hydro is ready, the customer will have to wait until the next day to have the power turned on, or there's an extra fee that will be charged for the late fees. So always try to keep that in mind. So as you can see, I have limited space to work with. This panel is a lot smaller than the other panel. This was built in before I even did the panel swap out. So again, with very limited space to deal with, I have to make sure that I can get my new panel inside of the inside of this area. Obviously, I would have did the measurements according to the newer panel to the older panel, and it's going to be a pretty tight job. There's not much room for me to play with inside of this area right here. And also, as you can see, I'm simply going to be removing this panel and taking out all the wires from the side of the panel, making sure that my wires, my older wires that I took out, are already labeled for the reinstall of the cable. So this is normal procedure what I'm doing right now, which is to try to remove my wires as fast as I can. Again, I don't have much time to play with when it comes to swapping out the panel. Also, just keep in mind that with limited time, there's very few mistakes that can be made. Even being, like I said, it's a panel swap out, and if everything is not done accordingly, the power will not be turned on. I will have to fix my defect in order to have the panel turned on. So again, like I said, this is the older panel that I'm dealing with right now, and with the older connectors that was used, pretty much gives you a lot of problems when it comes to trying to change out your panel with these older connectors being screws and stuff like that on the other side of it. Very hard to play with. So for that reason, I have to take my time also to make sure that I don't make my wires. Very important. I don't want to make my wires are nicked and it touches the metal. Once I reinstall my wires, then it can have a sharp in it of some sort. So always try to avoid all of these little stuff that comes with the trade. So again, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and what we simply have right here right now is going to be the installation of my cables and so on. This is a 400 amp main disconnect fusible, parallel feed being used. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, reason why I'm installing this tape is because I have to identify my cable, which is the neutral that I'm trying to tape right now. 400 amp disconnect fusible is what's here right now. Reason being is because the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the meter base, and it is a code rule that states that if the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the outdoor meter base, you have to have a means of disconnect, and that's what's simply here. 400 amp fusible disconnect that's placed here, and reason being is, like I said, the panel is located on the other side of the home. Parallel runs is the set of cables that you will see coming in from the top, and that's going to be the line side. Bottom side is the load side. Always important to make sure that your grounding is tucked way on the back side, so there's no arcing when it comes to the main components also. And always make sure that the line and the load is not touching each other when it goes into the disconnect. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So again, for all those who has tuned into the video, please like and share the video, and also you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification is turned to all. That way when I release my videos you can receive all of them, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So hello again, welcome back to the channel. As I'm going to so this is basically how the ceiling looks. As you can see, I had to make a lot of holes, some holes for the new pot lights. So that's basically how the ceiling looks upstairs. Okay, this of course is going to be the fireplace here. These are the baseboards. As you can see, this is another room here, and my receptacles are on but not powered up. It's another fireplace here with a receptacle and a data outlet, TV on the top. And this is the washroom. As you can see, this is the niche over here. Toilet receptacle. These are the in-floor heating cables. This is for the hand towel. So that's one part of one half of the second floor. I'm going to run, and these are my temporary cables that I remove. So again, that's my temporary cable. So I'm going to run another video here while I move this stuff downstairs, and I will then show the other half of the upstairs. Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm basically going to be tying in my neutral onto the neutral bars. As you can see, these neutrals that I have twisted, they're going to be basically circuits where I do not need an arc fault, and whatever I don't have twisted is going to go onto a special breaker. The reason for the neutral is basically going to power up. You have your power wire, which is this, and you have your neutral wire, which is this. So without this wire, your circuits will not work. So it's very important to have these wires tied into your breakers. Sorry, it's very important to have these wires tied into your neutral bar. That way that your circuit will work properly. Without this and just this, the circuit will never power up. I'm going to take this wire, I'm going to the back of the panel. Best drill. Do the job. 200 amp panel. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and so today's video I'm going to be installing the spots here, and it's basically for the generator feed. So because I cannot use this pipe on the outside, I'm simply going to put a junction box, transition this over um, into something else that I can use on the outside. This is pretty much not allowed on the outside. It's allowed when you're using when you're pouring concrete some sort. So uh, after double checking my code book, so I already knew that. So I'm not going to be using it on the outside. So I'm just going to be prepping my box. And because I don't have my hole saw, what I did was I simply made a mark here, and I'm going to try to cut around it to see if I can open up the hole a little bit more. So this is basically an old school way of using it. I'm just going to cut around. I already pre-made my mark, and I'm simply going to cut around to make sure that I can have enough opening so I can install this connector here. So hello, welcome back to the channel, as I'm going to be doing the other half of the walkthrough, and I'm going to be then I'm going to cut the video. So this is basically my plugs are going to end up going inside of the baseboards. So again, this is the bedroom. Again, this is finishing stuff. thermostat heater cable. This is the other bedroom. One more receptacle I have to install. Some switches, one more switch. This is the washroom here. Heater cables, GFI. This is a three-way inside of the hallway. And then this will be the other bedroom. These are the holes I had to make in order to reroute my cables. This is the other bathroom here. This is the niche. Thermostat cable. We have the switches, and we have the receptacles. And again, this is the last bedroom on the second floor. So I still have to install all my lighting, pot lights. So these are the holes that they need to patch back. That's why I had to remove my cables. This is another hole here. This is the other washroom here. Niche. Thermostat cables. And that's it. I'm going to run another video. And hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage is very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top. So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Okay, so basically what we have here is we're going to have one electrical panel. If you see, you can see all my wires. They're neatly strapped down. Everything is to code. You have my feeder wire here. This is the mechanical room. You're going to have furnace switch, light for the inside, switch for the inside. Then you have the electrical panel. Obviously it's covered because the guys were spraying. There's a second light here. You have a 20 amp receptacle. Then inside here we're going to have some connections. This is basically going to be a niche. Okay. We have a washer and dryer. All my wires are neatly strapped. Gonna have some switches. I have a fan, some lights, vapor barrier. Go into this room. I have some plugs on the outside. TV and data. Okay, inside this room we have some pot lights. This is a closet. You see my wires are neatly strapped. My holes are in the center of the studs, all by code. This here is the washroom. I have pot lights, one fan, shower pot lights. wire for the niche. And mirror receptacle for the toilet. Heated floors. Switches. Lock Wi-Fi. So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, I would like to also thank the people who checked into the live stream today. I'd like to thank Ezra Scott for the continuing support of the channel. Also, I'd like to thank Mr. Gaza for the continuing support of the channel. Also for checking into the live stream today, along with Ezra Scott. And also, I'd like to thank Classic for checking into the live stream today. Also, Up Movement TV, I'd like to thank you for checking into the live stream. Just don't want to forget anyone. And also, The Real Guys Are Uncle. I'd like to thank you for checking into the live stream and for also showing the support of the channel. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you receive my content. And this was just a quick live, nothing too long. And I will catch you guys on the next live.